Villeneuve is a town and comune in the Aosta Valley region of northwestern Italy. It lies on the Dora Baltea, a fast-flowing river popular for whitewater rafting, and some 10 kilometres (6 miles) west of Aosta on the road to Courmayeur and the Mont Blanc Tunnel. It is the gate of Gran Paradiso National Park, the oldest Italian national park. International relations. Twin towns. Sister cities. Villeneuve is twinned with Aigueblanche, France. Tourism information. Aosta Region Official Site. Tourism and Administration information. Villeneuve City Official Site.